What's up guys, it's Eric, and today I picked up some Spider-Man Maximum Venom Hot Wheels set. This is a 5-car assorted set. Got some awesome Venom themed cars to unbox today, so let's get them open. So first up, we have car number 1 of the set. This is the Venomized Spider-Man, and it is a 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger. And here we have the car up close. It's a great looking casting, and did in the Spider-Man livery it's got here. Really cool spider on the hood there, and then on the sides as well. Here's the front end, profile view, and the rear end. Oops. Beautiful looking car. Next up, we have car number 2, and this is the Venomized Iron Man, and the casting is the jackhammer. And here we have the casting done in a beautiful gold chrome with black and red details. There's the front end. Has a massive air intake scoop on the front of the car. Kind of looks like a catfish mouth or something. Interesting. There's the rear end. Cool car. Up next, we have the Venomized Captain America, and this is a 71 El Camino. And here we have the car. It's a beautiful 71 El Camino. Captain America Venom, so it does have the red, white, and blue colors. Just gorgeous looking casting and livery. Has a chrome metal base and a red plastic interior. There's the front end and the rear. Next up, car number 4 of 5, we have the Venomized Root, and that is a really cool looking artwork they have on the front of the box. This is a custom 2015 Ford Mustang. And here we have the casting. Has a Groot and Venom decal here on the side. Gold 5 spokes. On the hood it says "We are Groot." And then this is a 2015 Mustang with what looks like a wide body kit. And a big spoiler wing on the back there. Bottom. And the top. I really like this one. Definitely like the gold and green. The green paint looks really good. And lastly, we have car number 5 of 5, the Venomized Doctor Strange. And this is a tail dragger casting, sort of a old 1930s casting. All right, and here is the car. This is quite a beefy casting. Weighs just a little bit. There we have the Doctor Strange symbol on the hood. There's a front end details. Has a chrome plastic base. Then we have the logo and the Venom slime on there. This is a really cool looking car. It's the first time I've seen this particular casting. Looks really good. So here are the 5 cars from the Spider-Man Maximum Venom set. My favorite, I think, is gonna have to be the Dodge Charger. Let me know what yours is in the comments down below. Remember, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.